Hello, my name is Amy, and I'm a former student of the same class that you're taking right now, and I'd like to talk to you about APA formatting today. To begin, let's highlight some of the wonderful resources that you have available to you here at CWI. One of them is the CWI Writing Lab. You can use the CWI main page to make an appointment by hovering over current students, selecting Writing Tutoring Services. When that page opens, scroll down and just below the Writing Center, select Learn More about the Writing Center. And then if you click on this yellow box, it will take you through a series of prompts that will help you to make an appointment one-on-one with a writing tutor. Or if you're feeling lucky, you can just walk in without an appointment. There are sometimes tutors available without an appointment. The tutoring labs are in room 1304 of APIN on Ada campus and room 209 of NCAV on NAMPA's main campus. There is also the Purdue OWL site. It's an online writing lab that is available to you 24 hours, 7 days a week. You would just click on there and it'll take you right where you need to go. Finally, don't forget about Michelle, because Michelle knows APA formatting and she knows what she expects of her students as well. So in this video, I will be walking you through the general formatting of an APA paper and reference page. So let's jump right in. Your paper will need to be 12-point Times New Roman, double spaced with no extra spaces between paragraphs. To do this, you'll come up here, choose Times New Roman, 12-point font. Come over to paragraph, and here in the corner, then you'll choose line spacing, double, and click Don't Add Space Between Paragraphs of the Same Style. And then you have to click OK to make it so. Finally, in this respect, you will need 1-inch margins. So you will select Page Layout, drop the Margins menu, and notice that the normal option has a 1-inch margin on all 4 margins. So go ahead and select that. Finally, we'll be entering your running head. It should be at the top of the page, flush left, and in all caps, and the page number should be at the top of the page, flush right. To do this, look at the top of your screen and choose the Insert tab. From there, you'll choose Page Number, Top of Page, and Plain Number 3. Now, right up against that number, you'll go ahead and in all caps enter your title abbreviated, and then tab over until it's flush left. It's important to note here that it has defaulted again to Calibri 11, so you'll go to the Home tab, highlight this, click to let go, and reformat that to times and 12. We're not done though, because the first page in APA formatting is different. So go back to header and footer design and choose different first page. And once you're on here, you're going to have to reinsert the page number. So go again to page, top of page, option 3, and then again up against there. This time you're going to enter running head with only the R being capitalized, colon, space, and then in all caps again, your title abbreviated. And once again, tab over. Now again, it's defaulted to Calibri 11. So go back to Home, highlight, click to drop, highlight, click to drop, times and 12. And when you're all done with your paper, you're going to want to just visually inspect and make sure that all of your headers are in the right font. Now come back and close header, and you should be all set. Now that you have your paper's basic format, let's move on to the reference page. You will begin by inserting a page break at the top of the reference page. The reference page, like the rest of your paper, is in 12-point times, double spaced, with no extra spaces between the paragraphs. Again, it is really important that you do your formatting prior to entering a single character onto your page. It's going to save you a lot of headaches in the long run. Since most of that is already in place, we'll go ahead and insert the page break. And the way you do that is to come in, choose the Insert tab, and Page Break. And now your reference page will hold its formatting no matter how many times you edit your paper. And believe me, there will be editing. There always is. Now the final thing that we're going to do is enter the word references. It's going to be centered with only the first letter capitalized and no bolding, underlining, or quotation marks are used. To do this, go to Home, select Center, and then just enter it. And that's it. Below the word references, with no extra spaces added, you will begin entering your references. In conclusion, APA is very specific and tricky to learn. If you're having trouble with it, don't get discouraged. The help that you need is available. Remember, Writing Lab, Purdue, Michelle. Have fun with your projects.